Okay, and so here I am taking the measured amount of tryptic soy agar, 40 grams per liter in this case. We're going to have to make some deeps for today's experiment, and we're going to have to make some slants. So we're going to add 1,000 mils of distilled water to this Erlenmeyer flask, boil it, autoclave it, and then dispense it. Okay, so we just put some distilled water into the flask with the tryptic soy agar. Tryptic soy agar being a complex media able to grow and sustain many types of organisms. So this is one of the things that we'll be using in the lab. One thing that you need when you're trying to boil up these agars is a magnetic stir. Okay, so this is a magnet formed in a cylinder, and there is a magnet spinning inside this heater, and when you put this magnet in, it didn't go in. Okay, can you get a little close up here?
Yeah, it's...
I'm going to start spinning it faster. You get going too fast. And what this does is it allows you to boil the mixture and stir it continually. Right here at this heater, we have some broth that we'll be using in the lab. And you can actually see the vortex that forms, stirring the liquid continually. So that's how we do this part of it. And then after this boils, what we do is we transfer it to the appropriate tube or agar plate, and then we actually have to autoclave that media in order to make sure that it's completely sterile. Okay, so whenever you get an agar plate or a tube from me in this lab, you can rest assured that there is no bacteria in it whatsoever, because before you get it, we autoclave it. This autoclave is set to run at 15 minutes, okay, at around 240 degrees Fahrenheit, and it develops up to 15 pounds of pressure. Okay, so basically what you have is a large pressure cooker. And how this kills bacteria is between, for instance, spores are heat resistant even at 240. Okay, they can withstand that. But they cannot withstand the fact that that 240 degree gas is being pushed at 15 pounds per square inch into that spore. That is what kills the spore, all right? That breaks down the DNA. And of course, a vegetative cell is has no mercy inside the autoclave, all right? They die immediately at those pressures, all right? So that's how we do it and prepare media in the lab, in the microbiology lab.